So this is for Lab 4 instruction. So I need for you to follow these steps very precisely is what I'm looking for. Follow these 1, 2, 3. Put your name and how you submit this document, and it's very important with it. This is all about the while loop, which is a repetition loop that you're going to be doing on this. The scenario that I gave you is ignore the red line. I can't get rid of these red lines. It's not error with it. What you do is you go in and do step task 1, exactly what I asked you to do, and make sure you follow the guidelines. Just fill in. Do not change any of these formats or the document at all with it. So anywhere I have highlighted yellow, you will complete. So this has to do with hand trace table with it. So go in and I kind of help you out with this algorithm at this time right now. And then you're going to come down here. You're going to I talk to you about the loop control variables and with the while loop with it. So the scenario is that you will be, I give you $10,000. I ask you how long does it take, how many years does it take to when it gets to double, meaning it's going when your investment with this 5% interest. So you're going to write a little program to figure out when this is, how long it takes with it. The key thing is, the algorithms. First step, second step is taking it to the flow chart. Remember, anywhere that has yellow, I need for you to complete with it. So go in and complete. This is task 3. You're going to do a pencil and paper with a calculator. You're welcome to calculate and just fill out the first 3 lines for me. This is what you're trying to find out, is how number of years in this thing. Okay, so when you come down to this part, I want you to start writing out the code here with it. All right, I have commented out some of the section that takes place here. But the key thing about this video is I want to take you to is we're going to use the program exercise 4-1 to do this lab. So please do not complete what's in the book. Please do not complete what's been asked for in this program. So I'm going to show you what's going to happen. You go to, this is your eCampus. Click on it. So once you have this, this is recording right now. I'm going to, if you click on Start Assignment Now, make sure you turn off your pop-up blocker in your browser, and it takes you to this. Maximize the screen right here. So ignore this left panel right here. This is what I want you to focus is put your name on this code, the assignment, the course number, whatever section it is. It's 8. Whatever section you're in, online or on campus, and this is lab 4. So when you come down over here, you have our basic skeleton with it. And this is what I'm looking for, is this part right here. So I kind of gave you the, you did somewhat of a, take that from your task number 4 or 5 that you wrote the code on, this part right here, this section of the code right here, and I want you to put this set of code, this section here, inside of this browser right here, inside of this code right here. This is where it goes, all right? Once you're done with that, I would like for you to run it, all right? Now, making sure everything's in place with it. That's what you want to do. So let me pause here for a moment. So what I like to do is to show you what I did on the program is once you put in all your code, you run it. Bottom right hand of your screen, you have a little play button, and it should capture what is output onto the screen. So something looks like this. It tells you the number of years you invested is 15 years with it. But here's what I like for you to do is, take the screenshot of this. So if you I want to pause for a second. So what I like for you to do is to look at this, and what I want you to do is come in and open up your Snippet Tool. So the Snippet Tool has this little palette right here, and I like for you to click on your Snippet Tool, and you can welcome to take a snippet of that that's how you you copy that. You can take the Snippet Tool with it. That's one. Now, I'm not going to save this. So here's what I want you to do is I'd like for you to have several the output of that window of the content of it. One of them is to show you that's 15 years. Okay, so take a screenshot of that. I like to know for you to complete the table for this table. If you look at the number of iterations that it takes with it. So take a screenshot of this and tell me the number of years it doubles. Thank you.